I'll share with you all the tips and tricks and common mistakes to avoid so you can cook your beef low meat perfectly every single time.
We're gonna say goodbye to Takeout and say hello to the best beef low meat you have ever tasted.
Here we have some beef flank. Avoid stir-frying it directly without velveting it. In a mixing bowl, add the beef flank. Marinate it with salt, white pepper. Shaoxing white helps to remove the gamey taste of the beef. Both the egg white and cornstarch are used by Chinese to tenderize meat. It's also called velveting. Add the egg white, cornstarch, and oil, and mix well. Marinate it for about 30 minutes. Just let it work its magic. People often ask me, where do I get the lo mein? They are available in most Chinese supermarkets. You can also replace them with other types of noodles or pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the lo mein inside. And cook for about 3 minutes until al dente. Avoid overcooking the lo mein. They will become mushy when stir-frying it. Rinse the lo mein with cold water to stop cooking. Drain. We are almost there. I promise you'll love it. In a bowl, add the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, and water. Whisk. In a wok over high heat, pour in about 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Transfer the beef inside. Avoid stir-frying it immediately. Just let it have a beautiful sear before touching it. Stir-frying it for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the same wok over high heat, pour in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onion. Stir-fry until aromatic for about 30 seconds. Return the lo mein. Cook for about a minute until the aroma comes out. Add the beef and sauce and scallions. Quickly stir everything together. Making lo mein at home allows you to use fresh, high-quality ingredients. Plus, it's a great opportunity to bond with your family in the kitchen and create something delicious together.
This is absolutely better than any takeout place. It's so delicious and the beef is so tender. If you like to make chicken lo mein, check out the link right here. Comment below and let me know what is your favorite type of lo mein. Do you like it with shrimp, pork, beef, or chicken? Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!
Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. Thank you for being awesome.